how to log out from Facebook page. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your Facebook page. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, how do you do this? It's very simple. All you need to do is to open up your Facebook. When you open up your Facebook guys, come to this icon and click on it. Then from here guys, just scroll up until you find log out. Can see when you scroll up you find log out here. Just click on it, then option will pop up, save your login info. We will save your login information to your device's cloud backup, so you won't need to enter it on this device or any device you restore. If you want to save it, just go ahead and click on save. Then you'll be able to log out from your Facebook page. So guys, that is how to log out from Facebook page. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.